It is a cool morning. The sky is light blue. Birds sing outside my window. I wake up at 6 o'clock. The house is quiet. There is no noise, no people, just me. I sit on my bed and stretch my arms. I feel sleepy, but I also feel excited. Today is a new day, a day to try, a day to learn. I stand up and walk to the mirror. I look at my face. I smile and say, "Good morning." My voice is soft. I say it again, louder this time. Good morning. It feels strange, but also good. I want to speak English today. I want to learn something small but useful. I go to the window. I open it. The wind touches my face. I say the window is open. I touch the table. I say this is my table. Then I look at the chair. This is a chair. My words are simple. My voice is slow, but I speak. Where can I learn more words? What can I do next? I don't have a teacher. I don't have a class, but I can still learn. I say I can do this. I sit at the table. I take a notebook. It is new. There are no words inside, but I will fill it. I write today's date. Then I write my English journey. I walk to the kitchen. I see many things. A spoon, a plate, a cup. I point and speak. This is a spoon, that is a cup. The plate is white. I speak to the room. I speak to the things around me. They don't answer, but that is okay. I go back to my room. I sit in front of the mirror again. I say, "Hello, how are you?" I answer, "I am fine, thank you." I ask, "What is your name?" I say, "My name is Ben." I laugh a little. It feels silly, but also fun. I am not waiting for someone. I speak to myself. I write some new words in my notebook: door, bed, light, book. Then I try to use them. This is a door. I sit on the bed. The light is bright. I read a book. I say each sentence slowly. I listen to my voice. Later I go outside. I walk to the park. There is a dog. I say the dog runs fast. There are trees. I say the trees are tall. I see children. I say they play with a ball. I use the words I know. I feel happy. Yesterday I didn't speak much English, but today I spoke many sentences. I did something new. I did something good. I didn't wait for a perfect time. I started with what I had. Let's be honest, it is not easy. Sometimes I forget the word. Sometimes I say the wrong thing, but I don't stop. I keep going. I know that small steps will help me grow. I tell myself, you can do it. You are doing well. There is no magic. There is no big secret. Just one simple thing. Begin. Use what you have. Speak what you know. Try what you can. Make your day full of English little by little. This is how I started. With a table, a chair, a mirror, and my own voice. And tomorrow I will do it again. This is my small start, and it is strong. The next day I ask myself, how do I grow faster? What can help me now? I remember something. Babies do not read books. They do not study grammar. They just listen. They listen all day. They listen to their parents. They listen to songs. They hear voices. So I say to myself, let's try this way. Let's listen. I take my phone. I search for simple English audio. I find a podcast with easy sentences. I press play. A man says, I go to the shop. I pause. I repeat, I go to the shop. Then he says, I buy apples. I repeat again. The voice is slow and clear. It helps me a lot. I listen while I make tea. I listen while I wash my face. I hear she brushes her teeth. I say she brushes her teeth. I smile. I can do this. I listen again and again. I do not understand every word, but I enjoy it. Later, I clean my room. I play the podcast. My hands work, but my ears learn. There is no teacher. There is no book, but there is learning. There is progress. In the afternoon, I go for a walk. I wear my headphones. I play a short English story. It is about a boy and his dog. The boy plays in the yard. The dog runs fast. I understand a little. I pause and repeat. I feel like I am talking with the story. Sometimes I ask myself, should I listen to the same story again? Yes, I should. I listen 3 times. Every time I hear something new. My ears remember. My brain feels stronger. Later, I try a new thing. I watch a video with subtitles. A woman says, "Hello, how are you?" Another person says, "I am good, thank you." I pause, I say the lines, I try to match their voice. It is fun. It is simple. I enjoy it. I make a plan. I say I will listen every day. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night. I will listen when I cook. I will listen when I rest. I will listen when I walk. I don't always understand, but I don't stop. There are many kinds of listening: music, podcasts, videos, stories. I try them all. One day I listen to an English song. It is soft. The words are easy. I sing a little. I feel happy. Music helps me feel the language. When I feel tired, I still listen. I close my eyes and play a story. I don't repeat. I just hear. My heart is calm. My mind is open. Listening is like a river. It flows into your ears. It brings new sounds. It brings new ideas. It brings new dreams. The more you listen, the more you learn. You might not see it today, but tomorrow you will. So I say to you, let your ears be your first teacher. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Just listen. Listen with care. Listen with joy. Let the river of English run through your day. Now I want to speak more. I ask myself, can I speak for 5 minutes? I say, yes, I can. In the morning, I go to the mirror. I say, good morning. I am happy today. I look at myself. I say, you can do it. I try to smile. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Then I walk to the kitchen. I talk about everything I do. I open the fridge. I take some milk. I boil water. I make tea. I speak while I work. My voice is soft, but I can hear it. I feel good. I sit at the table. I look around and say the names of things. This is a spoon. That is a cup. Here is a plate. I say it again. I say it louder. I say it like I talk to a friend. There is no one here, but I am not afraid. Later, I take a walk in the park. I see many things. I speak in my mind. The dog is big. The boy plays with a ball. The sun is hot. I ask questions. Where is the man going? What is he doing? I answer in English. I imagine the answers. I smile. In the afternoon, I sit down with my notebook. I write short sentences about my day. Today I made breakfast. I cleaned my room. I listened to a story. I went for a walk. Then I read my sentences out loud. I repeat each one 3 times. I try to speak with feeling. I play a game. I ask myself questions. What did you eat? I say I ate bread and eggs. Did you go outside? Yes, I did. I talk like it is a real conversation. I play 2 people. One asks, one answers. Sometimes I make mistakes. I forget words. I laugh. I feel shy. But I don't stop. I ask, what should I do now? I say, just try again. I say, let's do it one more time. I keep going. At night, I stand in front of the mirror again. I talk to myself. I learned new words today. I spoke to myself. I am proud of me. I feel strong. My voice is not perfect, but it is mine, and that is enough. One day I want to speak to other people. But for now, I speak to myself. I know this will help me. I know this is practice. There is no test. There is no grade. But there is progress. Speaking without fear is not easy. But you can start small. You can talk about your day. You can name things. You can ask and answer. You can grow. You can improve. Let your voice be free. Let your room be your classroom. Let your words be your friends. If you are like me, you can do it too. Start today. Speak in the morning. Speak at night. Speak while you cook or walk. Every word you say is a step. Every sentence is a seed. Let's speak together. Let's grow together. English is not just a subject. It is a journey, and you are on your way.